Welcome. Advanced shipping and receiving is an integrated end-to-end process that allows users to send, receive, and transport products. With advanced shipping and receiving, we reduce redundancy in business objects and data by using a harmonized data model. Let us look at some of the benefits of ASR. ASR improves communication between transportation and warehouse management through one common data object. It can improve resource utilization by supporting mixed and multi-warehouse scenarios within one freight order. Finally, simplify operations by delivering goods to or picking up goods from several warehouses at the same location. Let's see how ASR differs from the classic TM and EWM integration. Without ASR, EWM and TM are working with two different data objects, the transportation unit and freight order, respectively. Therefore, the two data objects need to be connected and kept in sync in case of changes. With ASR, EWM and TM share the same data object, the freight order, representing a much tighter and more robust integration where changes are shared instantly. We will look at a simplified example. Based on a sales order, we will perform transportation planning in TM. From there, we will also trigger the delivery creation. Then, based on the outbound delivery request populated in EWM, we will perform the necessary warehouse activities, including picking, packing and loading. We have already created one sales order with one order line item. The sales order is also visible with one freight unit in the transportation cockpit. We use the optimizer to plan the transport. One freight order is created. When opening the freight order, we immediately continue by creating the delivery document from TM. The document flow overview shows us the newly created delivery document. A few seconds later, with a refresh of the screen, we can also see the corresponding warehouse outbound delivery order in EWM. Using the Load or Unload Freight Orders app, we can, after filtering by our freight order and our warehouse, see all the necessary process steps needed to fulfill the sales order, with the corresponding status for each task, completed or still open. We then use the Warehouse Monitor to look up the outbound delivery order in EWM and generate the warehouse tasks in the background. Finally, we quickly refresh and look at the newly created warehouse task and its warehouse order number. We need that number when we shortly will perform the picking in the warehouse. With the Android-based RF device, we begin picking. First, we choose manual selection and pick the warehouse order we created moments ago. Before picking the item, we select and create a handling unit. We then follow the instructions on the screen, confirming the pick bin, the quantity and HU. When picking is completed, we move the HU to the goods issue area, confirming the movements on the RF device. Back in the Load or Unload app, we refresh the screen and can see that warehouse operations are complete. The next step is the loading of the goods. We use the Warehouse Monitor and set the outbound delivery order ready for shipping. Loading is performed with the RF device. We load by handling unit and scan HU 900011. In the Load or Unload app, we can see the loading reflected after a refresh of the screen. We can use the same app if we want to perform the goods issue. We press Save. Cost distribution and charge calculations are completed. And all statuses are now green. A refresh of the outbound delivery order in the Warehouse Monitor confirms the same. We end by revisiting the freight order. We jump from the document flow to the Items tab. The freight order is, as expected, updated with the loaded handling unit. Mission accomplished. Let us recap some of the benefits of ASR. ASR improves communication between transportation and warehouse management through one common data object. It can improve resource utilization by supporting mixed and multi-warehouse scenarios within one freight order. Finally, simplify operations by delivering goods to or picking up goods from several warehouses at the same location. The views, information or opinions expressed are solely those of the individuals involved and not those of the individual's employer, or any other group or individual. Thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. More videos like this are coming shortly. See you then.